All right, so previously we did a video on the New Balance 1000. The wife got a pair of these from New Balance. Shout out to them. Amazing colorway. Check out that video review if you guys are interested. New Balance also sent another pair for her, per my request. This is her first look. Grab the other one. So I picked these ones out, but then...
Is it a lifestyle? It's not like a running shoe?
So it is a lifestyle running shoe. Like it's
okay.
kind of like an in-betweener. So this is another model that was actually a retro, but they, unlike the 1000, this is actually one that they morphed. So it's not the same midsole as the original. The side panels are different than the original as well. So it's a mesh runner that they brought back out because mesh runners have been trending like the last 2 years, if you didn't know that.
Nope.
Super trending. But this is a new version of the 740, so it's kind of like a retro, but done differently for more modern times. And I personally really like this model.
I like the colors a lot. I like all the mesh. That's what I was gonna say. I like the mesh everywhere.
Yeah, but it's tricky to you because it looks like a running shoe because we are older and we remember when shoes like these came out, like for the mesh runners back in the early 2000s or whatever. Maddie really likes this colorway though. Out of these two, I showed Maddie, my daughter, our daughter, these two, and I asked which one she liked better. And she said she likes the 740s the best. And I was like, oh, cool. I mean, she's like, oh, I love all the details, like the blues inside of the blues. And I was like, oh, she has such a good eye with that stuff. They're kind of different models. Like, they're both lifestyle, but this one is...
way different. Like, I don't see how somebody could run in those.
Yeah.
But I could see how somebody could run in these.
Yeah, that's fair.
I like the back detail a lot. Like, it's different. This part is different.
It's like reinforced on the heel, yeah.
Okay. Is that what it is?
Yeah, and then so you have absorb in the midsole as well. I do like the mesh on the sides though, and the toe box area.
Yeah.
This mesh is it's like a double mesh. You could see there's a mesh underneath it, and then there's a mesh over top.
Yeah, it's a really pretty shoe.
Yeah. How much do you think these ones retail for?
Well, I don't know then.
She's so nervous answering.
$120.
That's close. They're actually $110. So that's pretty close.
That's pretty good.
$110 at retail, which is pretty decent price in my opinion. There's not. I think that it's a little bit cheaper because this one has like premium suedes and stuff like that on here. This one doesn't have it. It's more of like the traditional mesh runner.
Yeah.
But I like it. It's lighter. It's definitely something a little bit more like sportier.
Yeah.
Athleisure like, I guess.
Athleisure.
Is
that a word?
I think that's a word. Yeah.
I don't. What? Did you make that up?
No. Athleisure is like a legit thing.
Did the internets make that up?
I don't know. When did athleisure? When would
athleisure?
You've never heard of that?
That's not.
That's me to a T. Athleisure. Yeah, no, athleisure is definitely a word.
Webster Dictionary does not have that word.
What does athleisure mean?
Athleisure is a fashion style that combines athletic apparel with casual.
See? Athleisure.
Well, you learn something new every day.
I can't believe you didn't know what
So
athleisure
weird.
meant. That's so funny. Anyway, I like the mesh. I like the side panels. I do wish that this was more of a premium material on the side panels, but I get it. It's kind of a synthetic material. It's more or less just the look that I really like. How it has like the painted on, fused on layers over top.
The different blues, like the light and the dark blues.
That's what Maddie.
Really pretty.
Yeah,
together.
it's this colorway again is really really solid. Both of these are inline products, meaning they're just pairs you just go on New Balance's website and buy. But the colorways are done so well that they look really, really good. Like, I like it.
Super nice.
The other one that I have of these, the dogs are running around if you can hear them. I also have the green colorway of these, and they look so good. I really like the green one. And I don't usually like green on sneakers, obviously.
Like dark green or light?
It's like a darker green.
Oh, I like dark green.
They're really nice. Let's go ahead and get you to try them on. These ones are already kind of pre-done, so you just kind of loosen them up a little bit. Unless you want me to retighten them or relace them. Look at those things. They look good.
Yeah, they do.
Everything always looks better on feet.
Yeah, they're super comfortable.
They look good. They look stylish.
Yeah. Nice.
So the 740 is one they brought back like in 2024 a little bit through some collabs and stuff, but I'm checking you out, girl. I'm pretty impressed.
Yeah.
You have you could do this professionally. You look really nice in
shoes?
in shoes.
Most people do.
No.
Most people look very nice in shoes.
I'm looking and I'm liking. It's honestly really fun to see you into like trendy sneakers because like
I don't know what's trendy.
well, you don't really pay attention as much. And like I am kind of like on in that and usually I'm getting them and I'm like, look at my cool shoes that you don't even look twice at. But now you're getting them yourselves, and so you can try them and wear them. And all right, so after wearing both of them and seeing both of them, like which is the first one you think you're gonna wear?
Out of like sheer what I do, like probably these first, just because I mean running around with the kids and grocery shopping and chores and all that, like I'd wear those. But if I was gonna like actually wear like jeans or something cute, I think I would wear those.
Okay, so you can dress up. The 1000s is probably a little bit
Yeah.
more than the 740s. This is more athleisure like,
Athleisure.
and then this is more like just all around.
Yeah.
I like it. All right. Well, thank you for helping us. Anyway, if you guys are interested in buying these, link in the description. It'll take you over to New Balance. If you guys buy any of them, it supports the family when you guys do that. And I apologize. The dogs are running around like crazy. I can't stop them. They need to go out. So we'll take them out in a little bit.
Go for a walk.
All right. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys.